In this video, I'm going to show you two workflows that every businesses need. The first one is the lead generation workflow, and that will allow you to scrape thousands of leads through Epify from Google Maps, and then by using an email finder, you'll get the email addresses of those company owners. And the second workflow is the email sender, and that will allow you to automatically outreach to those exact leads. And let me show you quickly how this thing really works, and after that I'll show you step by step how you can build this inside n8n. At first, let's go with this lead generator workflow, and to activate this, all I have to go with execute workflow, and this kind of form will come up. At first, I have to give the lead name like what I want, plumber, electrician, or like dentist. Let's go with plumber this time. And after that, I have to give the location, like from which city I need those plumbers. I'll go with Brookhaven, USA. And after that, I'll go with this scrape, and now this AI system will scrape out all of the plumbers from Brookhaven. As you can see, showing executed successfully. So now let's go to the Google Sheet. As you can see, these informations or these leads just been added. Here you can see that these are the company names, these are the website addresses, these are the general tab of those companies, these are the company categories, these are the phone numbers, these are the email addresses, and also these are the addresses, these are the streets, these are the city, these are the state, and this is the postal code, and here are the country code, and then there's the company domains. And if I go to the Google Maps, as you can see that in the Brookhaven there are only 9 plumbers, so that's why you can see in here just 9 leads are added. So basically scrape out all of those plumbers and then add it in here with the email addresses. So now let's go with the second workflow, which is the email sender. For that, I'll go with again execute workflow, and after this kind of form will come up, and here at first I have to give how many mails I want to send, which means that how many leads I want to outreach. Just for testing purposes, I'll go with 5, and then in the place of provide your mail style, I have to provide a mail template, and that will be used to generate the mails. And in this place, I'll go with this mail template that I just generated, and then I'll just give this place in here. That's it. As you can see, this mail template, and after that I'll just go with start sending. And as you can see that mail sender has been started successfully, and right now it's generating mails. As you can see, 5 mail generated successfully, and after that it actually sent those 5 mails to the first 5 leads from the Google Sheet. If I go here and just to show you, you can see that 5 mails just been sent, which is really cool. And if I go to my Gmail, you can see that in the place of sent mail, these are the 5 mails, and let me show the first one. And as you can see that there's the mail style I requested to follow, which is really cool. And right now let me show that how you can make these workflows. And by the way, you'll get these 2 workflows inside the Hello AI community, and the link has been given in the description. And also, if you need a system like this for your business, then you can contact with me. I'd given my contact information in the description also. So let's go with the first one, the lead generator. So as you can see that at first we use the on from submission node, and through this node we actually getting the lead identification, what kind of things you need. So at first we need the lead name, and it can be anything, as I told you, plumber, electrician, dentist, anything. And second thing, we actually need the location, so basically from which city you need those leads. And as you can see that it actually shows something like this, the lead name and also the location last time as I given this thing. And after that we have to give this to the Epify, because in here the Epify is responsible to scrape out all the leads from the Google Maps. So basically we're using this exact actor from the Epify, which is called Google Maps Scraper, and this thing will cost almost like $4 for 1000 leads to scrape from Google Maps. And to add this to n8n, it's very easy. All you have to do is like you have to go with this API, and then you have to go with this API endpoints, and after that you have to choose the run actor synchronously and get dataset items, and from here just copy this thing, and after that you have to just go with a HTTP node, and here you can go with get method. Also you can actually go with a post method, and in the place of URL you have to just paste the URL like this. And after that we need to add a code something like this in the place of JSON, and where in the place of location query we added the location, or we mapped the location from the on from submission, and then in the place of search string array we map the lead type in here. So in the right side you can see that we are requesting to this Epify actor that we need plumber from the Brookhaven. So after that, as you can see, it's actually came with 14 items, and here you can see all the informations are in here, which is really cool. And after that we have to do some filtering, and in the place of filter what I did here, that if any businesses doesn't contain any website, we are not going with that. So from these 14 items, the 11 items containing website, rest of the 3 doesn't contain any website, so that's why we discard it. And after that, we actually go with the edit fields, and through that we actually need the domain of that exact website, so that we can actually put that to the email finder. From that we can actually get the email address, because the main important thing in here that the information we actually getting through the API, there is no email address of those businesses. So if I kind of like search here email, you can see no email address. And also if I go to the Google Maps, you can see that for every businesses there is no email address in there, only they actually giving the phone number. But for the outreach we need the email addresses, also we need the phone number. We actually use this code to actually get the domain of every businesses, and then we actually pursuing also this kind of like information that we want to add to this exact Google Sheet. So like this, you can see that that's how the things will look like. And after that, what I did, I used the email finder, and here you have to add the email finder inside HTTP request. And to do that, you have to go with a post request, and then in the place of URL you have to go with something like this. And through this URL we're actually getting the email addresses of those companies, and then you have to go with send headers, and then in the place of name go with authorization, and then in the place of value put the API key of the email finder. And to do that, just sign up for email finder, and then you will come here something like this. As you can see, in the place of API option you will see your API keys. All you have to do is just copy your API key, and then you have to go back here in the place of value, just paste the API key, and then you have to go with send body. Then using a JSON you have to just write a code something like this. The domain will contain the domains, and here you can see that we just map the schema that containing the domains, and in the place of decision maker category we need the CEOs, means the founders. And based on our request, as you can see that we're actually getting this kind of email addresses, and here you can see some of the email addresses are valid and some of the email addresses are invalid, even some of the email addresses not found. So what you have to do is like, next we'll go with another valid mail checker. So for that we actually use a filter node, and in here I say if the status is valid then you have to go with this skip method, and if not then you have to just go with this discarded. So as you can see, 2 mail not found, so that's why those are discarded. So it found 9 mail addresses. So now we have to go with this another edit field, and here I'm separating the main email address from the given addresses, and as you can see that it got 9 items, which are the 9 email addresses. And after that we actually go with the if node, and through that I'm actually going with the most authentic email address, where I say that if the email address contain the domain then I have to go with this true branch, if not then go with the false branch. So it rejected 1 email address and it going with 8 email address, and after that it adding those 8 leads to the Google Sheet. So basically in here we're actually using the Google Sheet. If you want you can go with something like Superbase, but Google Sheet is free and mostly used, so that's why we're going with the Google Sheet. So if you use Google Sheet, at first you have to add the Google Sheet with n8n. For that go with create new credential, and from here go with sign in Google, and after that your Google Sheet will be added. The operation will be append or update row. In the place of document you have to choose the exact Google Sheet. As you can see that the Google Sheet I'm using leads data, and here I exactly map that. And then in the place of mapping column mode you can go with automatically. Also you can go with map each column manually, and here I added that which column will contain which thing. The company name will be the company name, the website address will be the website address, and as like the other one. And after that what's gonna happen, it will be added everything in here. So now let's go with the second one, which is the mail sender workflow. And again in here at first we used a on from submission node so that we can actually get the inputs. At first we were going with the numbers, like how many numbers of leads you want to outreach, and then in the second place we added the mail style. It's mean here you have to provide your mail template. So as you can see that last time we actually go with 5 outreach, and then in the place of provide your mail style we go with this mail template. And after that we're going with a simple JavaScript code so that you can split out the rest of the leads we don't need, because as you saw that we requested 5 items but it's going with 8 items, and right now we have to split the rest of the 3. And for that I'm going with this code, and this code allowing me to go with how many leads I wanted. As you can see it is split out the rest of the 3, and now it's going with the 5 items. And after that we're going with the generate email section, and here I used an information extractor, and that actually generating the emails. And you can see that I command as generated professional cold mail following the style of the provided mail, and here I say the mail will be sent and has the client company name. And in the place of email style, I actually given the style of the mail that I'm actually giving in the input place. So you can see in the right side, this is for the first request, and also I added the attributes. I need the mail subject and also I need the mail body. So based on my request, this is the first mail subject, this is the first mail body, and if I go down, you can see there's a second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one, and there's the fifth one. And the most important thing in here is that every mail is very specific for every lead, and these are not same mail, by the way. And in here, to generate this mail, we're using Open Router, and through the Open Router we're getting access to the AI models. So basically from here, in the place of model, you can choose any model you want to generate the mails. In here I'm using the GPT 4.1 mini, so just choose which model you want to use. So if you don't know how to add the Open Router, it's very easy. Just click here, then go with create new credential. In the place of API key, you have to add the API key of your own Open Router account. For that, come to Open Router, sign up at first, then go with get API key, and after that just create API key. You can give any name you want, and after that just go with create, and after creating the API key, just copy the API key and then go back to here, and then in the place of API just paste the API key, then go with save, and make sure that you add some credits in your Open Router if you want to use a paid model. And for that, just go in the place of credits, and you can see I already added just credits, and by that I'm actually using that. And by the way, it's very cheap, so no worries. And after that, we're going with this send email section. So basically in here I'm using Gmail. If you want, you can use your own personal mail, and for that you have to use something like send mail. This one, go with send an email, and here if you go with select new credential, here you have to give the username, your password, your host name, and also the client host name. And after giving this information, your personal email will be added in this case. And if you want to use Gmail like me, all you have to do is like you have to go with like this one, create new credential, and here just go with sign in with Google, and after that your Gmail will be added. In the place of to, I'm mapping the email address of the lead, and then in the place of subject, I'm mapping the subject that I'm getting from the AI agent or the information extractor. And in the place of email type, you can go with text. Also you can go with HTML if you want to add styles with your email. And then in the place of body, I just map the body that I'm getting again from the information extractor. And in the place of sender name, you can give your own name. And after that, you can see it sent 5 mails, and it will come with something like this. And after sending the mail, now we have to give update to the Google Sheet. And as you can see that after sending the 5 mail, it added something like send for 5 times. And to do that, again we have to just come here, and then as you can see, we're going with append or update row in a sheet. And here in the place of operation, make sure this thing you choose, and in the place of document, make sure you choose the same lead sheet. And then in the place of mapping column mode, you have to just go with map each column manually, and here you can go with column to match on email address, and here you have to just map the email address. And then in the place of email status, just write something send, and then what's gonna happen after sending the mails, it will be added in here. So that was the whole thing. I hope you understand everything, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment box. And by the way, if you want a similar system for a business, by that you can scrape the leads automatically. Also you can automatically outreach to them. Then you can reach out to me. I had given my contact information in the description. And on the other hand, if you're a learner and if you want to learn how I do this AI stuffs, then you can join the Hello AI community. After joining the Hello AI community, you will get access to all of my AI agents, codes, prompts, templates, and not only these, you will get me through the messages, and also we do live session call every week where you can join and ask me anything there. So that's it for today. See you with a new AI solution. Till then, peace.